Hello everyone, this is Neha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are discussing about the preparation for B2 level exam of German language. And we are discussing particularly for the reading part, which means Lesen Teil. So, in today's video, we are discussing Lesen, but I'll be making series of the video where I will discuss each part individually. So, you can subscribe to my channel for the all following videos also. So, now let's start with the today's video. We are discussing here Lesen, and for the Lesen in total we have 65 minutes, from which 45 minutes are given to 4 tiles of Lesen and remaining 20 minutes are assigned to Lesen and Schreiben. You will be given in total 65 minutes. You can divide your time. You can keep 10 minutes for Lesen and Schreiben, but it's worth to give 20 minutes to Lesen and Schreiben. Now let's start what comes in Teil 1 or what kind of questions are there in Teil 1. First of all guys, please excuse me for this scribbling I did on this page. That was when I was practicing for the B2 level exam. But now let's start for you guys. How does it work? Now we have for the Lesen Teil 1 5 statements, or you can say 5 questions or 5 different kind of people asking for help. And they will be asking help in different kind of areas. So suppose someone wants to search for profession or someone wants to search for Ausbildung, and you have different 8 replies from different people, but you have to match the statements with particular reply. So suppose if someone is asking for Ausbildung, then you have to match the reply who gives an answer for Ausbildung. Where can someone find the particular Ausbildung of their area or whatever? You have to look for the keywords. And talking about the time, you can assign 10 minutes of your time to this style because it is easy and it doesn't have so much of similarity in different statements. You can easily match the statements. Now let's come to the Teil 2, Lesen Teil 2. This style has 2 texts. So one text has 2 questions and one of them is true or false and other is multiple choice question. And then comes the second text which has also the same type of questions, true or false and objective question. So from the first 2 paragraphs you will find your true or false, and the objective multiple choice question you actually have to summarize the whole text for finding both of their answers. That is why it is very time consuming. You have to give 10 or 12 minutes of your time, or you can even assign your 15 minutes of time to this style. And my experience says that you must read the whole text to answer both of the questions under the particular text. Now let's move to the third tile, the Lesen Teil 3. In this part you are given 4 statements and 6 solutions. You have to match from these 6 solutions to 3 different statements, but one of the 4 questions will be marked as cross. So one has no solutions matching at all, and remaining 3 will match to 3 answers out of 6 solutions given in this part. This task is almost similar to the Teil 1, but sometimes in this task you have the bigger statements and also all the statements are on the same topic. Then in that case it would be difficult for you to match the particular solution. In that particular case you have to look for what is asked, what is the exact last question, last line of this statement, so that you can find what is the person asking. So suppose the whole statement is matching to the one solution, but in the end the person is asking something else. So you have to look for the particular reply. So suppose the person talked everything about the tax in the whole statement, but in the end he asked something else. He asked that how can he declare the tax. So you have to match the solution where it is answered that how the tax declaration is done. Okay, so that you have to take care in this particular tile. And I must tell you that because these statements are big, I have a tip for you. You can write on the side of this statement in your own language what is asked in this particular statement, so that when you read the solution, you can easily remember what was asked and match the particular statement to the particular solution. So this was the tip for this style which I used when I was preparing. Now let's move to the Lesen Teil 4, and it has 5 multiple choice questions. You can read the question first and then read the paragraph of particular heading. So suppose the 14th question, in the 14th question they are asking what happens in the protocol in the letzten Sitzung. So in the last meeting, what happened in the protocol, what was the protocol or what was about the protocol. So you have to read the first paragraph and answer one of the right statement from multiple choice questions, and so on. You can actually assign your 15 minutes of your time, but it usually take 10 to 12 minutes for me. But you can decide when you are practicing how much time you need this for this particular tile. And now guys, let's move to the Lesen and Schreiben. For this you have in total 20 minutes. You can assign your time 5 minutes to answer multiple choice questions, which is 19 and 20, and then 15 minutes to write the reply to the customer, which is Beschwerde reagieren. And I have already made some videos on Auf Beschwerde reagieren. You can check the videos, link in the description. I'll be mentioning them and you can practice through those links. Now guys, I have explained all the 4 tiles, or you can say including Lesen and Schreiben, 5 tile of reading module for the B2 level exam. And guys, if you still have any question, you can mention those questions in the comment. I'll try to answer. But also please, if you like the video and would like to learn about the following tiles also for the B2 level exam, other modules also, you can subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I'll be making such videos now on regular basis. So I will meet you guys with another video tomorrow. And for now, auf Wiedersehen and bis morgen everyone.